Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm Cressy and today I'm going to show you what I eat in a day. It is almost 8:30 right now. I woke up probably around 5 and had some water, got some things done, and still not really hungry, but I'm having some coffee. This is just like pre-made. I keep it in the fridge, coffee and almond milk. And when I have breakfast, I'll show you that. I plan on making some really awesome ramen today, so I'll show you the whole recipe for that. It'll be delicious, and we'll see where the day goes from there. All right, see you at breakfast. Almost forgot I was filming, so I already started cooking my ramen. Apologize, but it's really simple, and I'll just tell you how to do it. So it's boiling in the pot now. All I did was add about 2 teaspoons of miso. And then I stirred it up and then added half a teaspoon each of ginger and turmeric, and then a pinch of cinnamon. Makes it really delicious. And then I added in a head of bok choy and just cooking it till it's soft. This ramen is really easy to make, and you can use any ramen noodles that are vegan. I like these brown rice ones. The only problem with making ramen is it doesn't make very good leftovers, so you gotta make it and eat it right away. But that's fine, just don't make too much. And I think this is almost done. And that's lunch. So I guess I will see you guys at dinner. Not sure what I'm gonna make yet. Maybe a salad, because I haven't had salad in like a really long time. Great, I'll see you at dinner. So it is now dinner time, and I'm gonna make a big salad with some like garlic cooked tofu. And the salad is just gonna be pretty simple: romaine, kale, red cabbage, tomato, and cucumber. And the dressing I'm just gonna make with tahini, apple cider vinegar, a little bit of maple syrup, and garlic powder. And I'll show you how I do that. Right. a really big salad here, almost half a block of tofu. I didn't put everything that I cooked in here. Probably won't finish this. Yeah. But I put hemp seeds on top, as you saw, because, you know, hemp seeds are really good for you. And yeah, so I'll sit down, enjoy this as much as I can fit into my stomach right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this What I Eat in a Day video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. I make a lot of recipe videos as well. And check out my website at RootyFruityVegan.com, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!